Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Tidal account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Tidal account, first make sure that you've downloaded the Tidal app on a device you're operating with. Once you have it, give it a double click to open. You'll end up in this page where you can see two options displayed. One is sign up and login. To log into an account, click the login button. Now, in the login area that pops up, go ahead and enter your email address or the username that you used while signing up for Tidal. Make sure to type in your information correct if you'd like to log in without any problem. You can also log into your Tidal account with your Facebook, Apple, or your Twitter. Simply select one of these options in order to do so. Once you type in your email, click the continue button. Now it'll ask you for your password. Enter the password that you created while signing up for Tidal and make sure to type it in correct as well. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link beneath the login button and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. After you are done typing in your credential, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Tidal account quick and easy. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.